Happy Vlogmas, everybody! In this video today, we wanted to share our first ride ever in the Disneyland parks. And that wonderful ride was Mike and Sully to the Rescue Monsters, Inc. So come tag along with us today.
We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this.
Hello! If you are new to the area, the Monstropolis Chamber of Commerce would like to welcome you. While you're in town, be sure to...
We interrupt this program to a special report. A child is on the loose in Monstropolis. A human child!
If witnesses are to be believed, there has been a child security breach for the first time in monster history.
We can neither confirm nor deny the presence of a human child here tonight.
I tried to run from it, but it picked me up with its mind powers and shook me like a dog.
It's
true! I saw the whole thing!
Happy birthday, Schmoopsy Poo!
You get it, Mike, you get it! That's awesome.
It grabbed me with its tongue and rolled me up and down like a yo-yo. It was horrible. I was minding my own business when this human child told me.
Oh, Boo, we gotta get you home.
There's a kid here! A human kid!
Michael Wazowski! And on my birthday, I thought you cared about me!
Celia, try to understand.
Come on, this way.
We are at the scene, number one. You got it in charge. Spread out and lock it down.
There's nothing down here. All units, here's the girl we're looking for.
Well, I hate working nights. Yeah, nothing exciting ever happens.
Hurry up, Sully, hurry up. I've got both doors set up on the scare floor.
Are you done yet, Boo?
Race you to the scare floor. They'll never find her door now.
Look, Boo, there's your door.
We're almost there, kiddo.
Not so fast, Sullivan. They'll never get her home now.
We hope you enjoyed this video today. Don't forget to comment below if there's some other ride videos you'd like to see us do in the future. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe to make sure that you're notified when new videos uppost. We're going to be posting once a day for the entire Vlogmas, so we look forward to seeing you tomorrow. Bye!
Wanna hang out with my friends and family.